The year almost over and I went on about 100 dates this year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, maybe it wasn't 100. It's more like maybe 50. Which means I'm an expert in this dating game. I can date your mama, boy. I can date your grandma, boy. You think I'm playing with you, boy? Just try me. Try me. You know what I'm saying? Once you're an expert, you gotta teach your people. I gotta teach my dogs, cause y'all my dogs. Y'all my homies. I love y'all. I'm finna tell y'all like 5 good steps on how to get a date, keep a date, and make these women love you, my boy. First thing you gotta do is present yourself. It's all about the presentation. You ever heard your mama say it's not what you say, it's how you say it? It's not how you look, it's how you present yourself. Come off like a boss. Like a boss, bruh. Jay-Z, the 50 Cent 2022, Diddy, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk. When you a boss, you give off this aura like, work for me. Do what I say. I'm a leader. Listen to me. You better listen to me. I'ma fire your ass. Come off like a boss. She ain't gonna play with you. She gonna take you serious. And that's the main thing about the presentation. You wanna build the respect. Now, hold on. It's steps to this. It's not gonna come easy, my boy. Men that get a lot of women or that is really having a good time in a dating game is always called arrogant. You too cocky. If ain't nobody telling you that you too cocky and too arrogant, you ain't confident enough. You gotta get to the point where you know you the shit without having to say you the shit. Get that in your head, man. Things that can build that confidence is smelling good, dressing good, talking good, feeling good, having money, having cars, having your necessity, family doing good. I mean, everything in your life is straight and copacetic, my boy. About to beat my meat. About to beat my meat. That builds your confidence because you know that you can solve problems and handle your business. Next thing you want to do is how you talk to them, okay? If you want to dominate in this game, you have to be like 20 different people. You have to date so much that when you encounter a different girl, you know how to beat their ass verbally. You know what I mean? When I say beat them up verbally, I mean, bro, you have to be able to play that, you know what I'm saying, that talking game. You gotta have game with these women. You gotta make sure you don't say nothing that can mess up your chances on getting that badonk-a-donk. Just keep on dating. You're not gonna be able to know how to talk to these females if you don't date these females. It's all about trial and error. Some girls is ghetto, so they don't want to hear that. How you doing, ma'am? I love your dress. They gonna bake you, bro. They gonna be like, bro, get your little dumbass out of here, boy. Get your lame ass out of here, boy. But sometimes you might want to date them white girls. You gotta hit them with respect because that's all they know. How you doing, ma'am? I think you look really nice today. If you wouldn't mind me asking, can I take you on a date? Woo! Panties gonna be wet. Don't be cheap, my boy. Girls hate a dude that's cheap. It just come off buster, my boy. But hear me out. Sometimes if you tell a girl your situation, she can work around you. Some girls are from maybe like a bad, you know what I'm saying, situation. So they're very understanding of your situation and you might be able to get a pass. Don't talk too much. You know you don't gotta answer every question she asks you. Do you know sometimes you can just tell her, right now I don't really want to talk about that. That shows maturity. It's like a mystery. You want to be a mystery. Don't talk too much, bruh. Just come across like you just want to listen. Be a listener. Open your ears up when you messing with her. The more you listen is the key. Do y'all know I take notes on these girls? Do y'all know I take notes on these girls? I'm for real, y'all. I take notes, man. Which means I have a notepad in my phone with every girl I met and everything they like. I be on the phone like, shit, what's your favorite color?
It's purple.
Oh, for real? That's crazy. What you like to do? I like to go snowboarding. Snowboarding? That's crazy. Then in the future you can bring it up like, hey, I remember you like the snowboarding. Say it like 5 months later. She's gonna be like, oh, you remembered? Yes, I did. Now give me some of them donkey donk. Give me some of that. 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 You in there like swimwear. Big boss will never lie. 5th thing, you want to kill their senses. You already know. Come on now. It's a cologne channel. Wear your cologne, my boy. Like that catch. Look at that. Oh, snap. You want to wear a cologne? My scent of the day is Replica Jazz Club. Come sing for me. You want to smell good, y'all. That's so serious. If you smell good, it's up giving them pheromones. It's gonna make them go out and drive a girl crazy. All right, I'm out. Wear a condom. Wear a condom. I'll be back tomorrow. Don't you go nowhere. Come back tomorrow. I got some more stuff to tell y'all. We gonna get every girl in the city, and I'm not gonna stop doing this YouTube thing until I'm dating SZA or Rihanna or Sweetie, or that one girl who played in that one movie. Yeah, whatever. I see y'all tonight. I see y'all tomorrow, man. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. Stay smelling good. Stay looking good. Mwah, mwah, kisses, man. I love y'all. Y'all my dudes. And I'm out.
I'm selling that cake. Fuck all the talking and fuck all the talking and fuck all the walking. Got money to make. Fuck on a bitch and I don't do a date. Came off the streets and I'm paving my way. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Came to the party with no gun. Left the party with a